this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust. We have a tow hitch, rear park sensing, mud flaps on the rear. We do have a backup camera as well as a Pro Access tailgate with a nice bed liner. Got an outlet back here. We do get some hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, as well as you can turn on the bed lighting, which is pretty nice. You do get measurements on your tailgate as well, which is pretty handy. And it is powered, so it will go up and down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff in your hands and you want to lift up your gate. You just knee it up and it will go up automatically. We do have an extended black gripped running board, which is pretty handy. We have mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlights, turn light, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat as well as a powered passenger seat, the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 87 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and it does close. You got your center console here that does turn into an interior work surface. Pretty handy. You can put your laptop here or your food, totally up to you. And you do get your storage underneath as well. Rear locking NIF, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Clicking here, you do get a 360 view of your vehicle. Pretty handy. You can change the different camera angles, hazards, and traction. We do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Your assist here, which is just your park sensing. You do get some storage above and below, storage right here, and we do get a nice powered rear window opener. We do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. And looking here, we have our phone, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, power tailgate, all that jazz. Apps in general, and any apps you have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA61637, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.